Gel coated fiberglass Sunken tub is the best waterproofing solution.
My name is Radhesham Patel. I live in Ahmedabad city, state Gujarat, country India. My company name is Prince Composite Dome House. Our main product is to manufacture the panel of the dome house by molding method. Our factory is located at Mehmdabad, 45 km from Ahmedabad to Nadiyad. We are the only manufacturer of insulated dome house in the world. The exterior and interior surface of the dome house panels are made by gel coat and fiberglass. The puff insulation used in refrigerator and cold storage is injected in liquid form between the two surfaces. Foaming occurs with a lot of pressure in a few moments after the chemical is injected, which spread out in the empty part of the panel and convert to solid form according to shape. The thickness of puff insulation in the panel is 75 mm and the total thickness of panel to 82 mm. And 45 square feet dome house be ready after assembling total 8 panels with window and door panels as per the customer preference. The raw material used to build our dome house are gel coat and fiberglass. It is also being used in very important place around the world. For petrol storage tank at petrol station, for tank to store harmful acidic chemicals such as acid, for water pipes of the Narmada Dam project connecting many states of India, for a ship in the salt water of the sea, and also use make bathroom bathtubs. What is sunken slab? These are slabs which are constructed along with normal slab, but at a certain depth below the normal slab level. Sunken slabs are mainly used in toilet, bathrooms, wash area, utility and porch. The level difference accommodate the pipeline and help to conceal the pipeline when the floor is finally finished. Waterproofing is done in bathroom of every flat, apartment and bungalow in India. Every home in India uses a harmful acidic chemical like acid harpic to tough stain removal and germ kill in the bathroom, which slowly descend in the tiles and concrete, damaging it. The use of harmful acidic chemicals such as acid harpic causes leakage problem despite the use of the best and most expensive waterproofing product. Moisture come in the wall. Millions of rupees spent on expensive bathroom and walls are wasted. We have the right and 100% solution for this. For RCC sunken slab of Indian bathroom, we will make fiberglass sunken tub according to different shape and size of your bathroom by molding method. 100% waterproofing solution, gel coated fiberglass sunken tub. Blue line is a gel coat layer. Red line is a fiberglass layer. If the fiberglass sunken tub is placed at the time of filling the concrete sunken slab, there is no need to use the wooden planks or centering sheet used to make the concrete sunken slab. We will provide sunken tub molding from gel coated fiberglass as per architect drawing for your bathroom. The gel coated fiberglass sunken tub is characterized by rough outside and a smooth and shiny interior. If the gel coated fiberglass sunken tub is placed at the same time as the concrete work of flooring and sunken slab is in progress, the gel coated fiberglass sunken tub and RCC will have an excellent bonding and there will be no space between the two. The biggest advantage of this method is that it does not require any chemical or solution to be used, so it will save a lot of money. Fiberglass sunken tub plan. Section plan. Fiberglass sunken tub depth approx 200 mm. The thickness of the gel coated fiberglass sunken tub can be kept from 1.5 mm to 5 mm depending on your need and budget to prevent 100% water leakage. Fiberglass is less likely to crack and is used to make fiberglass tanks. which also happen to fill up with petrol and harmful acid. We will drill a hole in the gel-coated fiberglass sunken tub for water disposal as your requirement. You can also drill hole wherever you need. Since the gel-coated fiberglass sunken tub are manufactured by molding method, each the gel-coated fiberglass sunken tub can be made to the same size and without joints. Fiberglass sunken tub 3D drawing. 1 number is the isometric view. 2 number is the front view. 3rd number is the every corner 10 mm radius. 4 number inside view. 5 number outside view. The purpose of providing sunken slab is to prevent water from spilling over the sunken slab area toward the surrounding slabs. Mostly sunken slabs are casted 200 mm to 300 depth below the normal slab level. After spacing the pipelines and space is filled with sand or other lightweight material. Sunken slab filling material: lightweight cinder, broken red bricks, broken fly ash bricks, coil lumps and bricks jelly. 3-dimensional drawings are made to understand the gel-coated fiberglass sunken tub for different size bathroom as per the architect's drawing. Contact us for more information, discussion, and if you have any question. Radheshyam Patel. Mobile WhatsApp +91 90 239 60692. Email pcdom11@gmail.com. Website www.pcdoms.com.